How to update Trimui Smart Pro firmware. I'm going to tell you how to update your Trimui Smart Pro firmware quickly and safely. First, download the latest firmware file from the official Trimui GitHub or website and place it unzipped on a FAT32 formatted micro SD card. Power off your device, then insert the SD card. Press and hold volume down plus power until green progress bar appears. Then release buttons. This boots into update mode and flashes the firmware automatically. After it's done, the console will reboot. Once back in the main UI, reinsert your original SD with ROMs. If you're upgrading from older versions, it's best to start with the SD base package alongside the firmware file, as shared in setup guides. That's it. No OTA updates needed, just the manual process ensures you're running the latest and most stable Trim UI firmware.